This is the HoverCam T3 document camera. It has an arm that extends out and can be folded down and into the document camera body, meaning that this is a very compact device. So you can keep it out on your desk amongst your stapler, your pen box, and anything else that you keep on your desk, and then extend it when you need to scan or make a presentation. It takes one USB cable to transfer information and to power it. It has a built-in LED light, and it can be fitted with a Kensington lock in the back. The 3 megapixel lens is of higher quality than most document cameras, 3 times its price, but what really makes it great is the software. So let me just show you that real quick. So this is the HoverCam Flex software. There's video, scan, connect, and archive. In the video mode, you can record whatever screen you happen to be on, including the HoverCam Flex screen. So you click on the record button, you select the area you want to record, and then you start recording. That green frame that you see there, that will stay with me wherever I go. So I can record any screen I want to. In addition, it records audio. So I can record everything I'm doing during a class and then upload that to one of the built-in cloud services such as Dropbox or Evernote. I can change the resolution, so I have a high resolution image right now, so I can zoom in, zoom out with a mouse wheel, rotate the image, I can grab it and drag it around, but the frame rate is a little choppy because the resolution is so high. So if I'm doing a lot of movement underneath the camera, I can lower the frame rate, and I'm going to the extreme, and the frame rate becomes a little bit more smooth. So I'm going to put it back up to a high resolution and go to scan mode, which is right next door. In scan mode, there's a variety of different file formats, and this is a little unusual for the document cameras. Usually they have JPEG and one other. We have JPEG, PNG, BMP, GIF, TIFF, PDF, and in addition you could scan something in one mode like JPEG and then turn it into a PDF right through our software. We have the ability to straighten using our software, and we have the ability to do picture-in-picture and time-lapse, so you could do seconds, minutes, hours, so you could do kind of a science experiment of some sort. Once you scan, the image appears off to the right, and once that image is there, you can drag it, and you may notice that the frame around HoverCam Flex changes. So it's green at the top and blue at the bottom. You see how that is? So what's that doing is it's prompting me to drag this and drop this into another program. So I could go all the way to the edge, it goes to another program, it allows me to drop right into that program. So in this case, I could drag and drop it into PowerPoint or into Microsoft Word and create like a lesson plan that I could print out for my students. Or I could drag and drop it into an interactive whiteboard. It's one of the fastest ways to get to an interactive whiteboard. We call this the catapult feature, this dragging and dropping. Right next door to scan is connect, and connect is kind of a web conferencing tool. Every HoverCam has a unique ID, so if somebody knows my ID and I know theirs, we can enter in each other's HoverCam IDs and then do a web conference over the T3. This means that if a teacher is having a lesson across the hall and I want to be able to show that to my students, we could use the connect feature to show each other's lessons or share lessons. In archive mode, this is where all the files are stored, but there's also features in here as well. There's OCR, digital signature, and there's those cloud services that I was talking about earlier, Evernote, Picasa, Dropbox. So I can upload things to share with other people. There are numerous other features in HoverCam Flex. Please speak to your HoverCam representative for more details. Thanks a lot.